Memphis got him rolling just as fast as he can. Memphis got him rolling like a goddamn tire, trying to get higher and higher. He's an everyday buyer, won't you ask the supplier? He'll tell you that he no liar. Look at that foot, pulled up at a, look at his foot, pulled up at a gas, got to be boy, pulled up at a gas station to get him some gas, pulled out a lot of cash. Look at that motherfucking footwork. Before we could walk in the store, filthy meth head whore tried to sell him some ass. I said, Memphis got you rolling in the rain. And Memphis got you walking down motherfucker Hamilton Place, searching through garbage cans.